and the profile label is modify all, shall they edit or delete? So in this case, yes, if on the profile level user is given with the modify all permission, then the user will going to be do all the editing of the records, and plus he can, yes, also able to delete all the records. Even if for the record he is not the owner, all those records also can be modified by the same user. Okay, so basically it will going to act as a system admin for that particular object. So that is why you will going to see that this modify all and view all permission rarely we will going to give to any of the user. If based on their roles and their responsibility only, we will going to provide these two access, because if we will going to provide these two access, then they will going to act as a system admin for that particular object, which means they can do editing, deleting, creation, all the things they can perform for the records for that particular object. Even if they are not owner of the records, for those records also they can do everything.